conclude our sugar series without mentioning the king of all syrups, and that's the reason why I've decided to leave the best for the last. So today we'll be talking about black treacle. The taste is distinct and the flavor is very unique. So let's get started. I'll be making use of room temperature water, lemon, 2 quantities of granulated white sugar, the larger and the smaller one, and then already boiled water which I kept in a hot flask. Next, I'll be adding my water to my pot, or you can use a saucepan that is deep, and then the smaller quantity of sugar. The water I added is the room temperature water. Now you don't stir this syrup at all. Like the golden syrup, we don't stir this at all. Now I'm going to put this on low heat and I'm going to allow this simmer. You're going to see it boiling. Next, I'm going to get to a smoky stage. I'm going to leave it till it is practically burnt. That's another major difference between golden syrup and the black treacle. Now this is exactly what I'm looking for. Next, I'm going to wash my lemon, slice it, and I'm going to put a quarter portion of my lemon into my syrup. I'm going to add a larger quantity of sugar, and next I'm going to pour the already boiled water little by little. Most times when I'm making black treacle, I prefer working outside because of the smoky nature of the black treacle. Now I'm going to just leave this to boil for 10 to 15 minutes, not more than 15 minutes. If not, your syrup is going to get thickened immediately once you remove it from heat, and you actually don't want that. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. This is ready. I'm going to remove it from heat. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes, then pour it into sterilized jars. Now this is the consistency I'm looking for. It's perfect. It's not going to harden immediately, and it's still very thin. The consistency is running. Now if you missed any of the previous series, please check the link below this video for a playlist of the series, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support.